Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. When we put number 1 gone here, here and here. This one you got number 0. This one you got number 0. So we have 0 over 0. So we can use about L hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have number 1 over number 2 with the square root of s minus number 1. And the second one we have 1 over number 2 with the square root of s. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have 2s over number 2 with the square root of s squared minus number 1. So number 2 and number 2 we simplified. Later that this one will go to numerator and that should be like this. So s squared minus 1, number 1 that is about 1 square. So we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. Next, the square root of s minus 1 and the square root of s minus 1 we cancel. And now we put number 1 gone here, here, and here, and here. So we have the final answer. So we have the square root of number 2 over number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.